In this video, we'll take a look at IP phone services and XSI. There are three types of XSI services: customized directory, standard IP phone services, and messages. Customized directories can be seen when dialing and in context, or used when you search for a contact. It can also be used to provide a special emergency contact service. You can point to a service URL that can pull up a customized XML file. A well-known service based on XSI is Extension Mobility that allows you to hotdesk in using username and PIN. You can see services like Extension Mobility under Customized Services in the menu. Value-added services can be configured using XSI, such as having the phone run in kiosk mode, and other solutions like a drink ordering service are possible too.